Welcome to Cyberbooth. Today we're gonna make a Kali Linux bootable USB drive. Let's search for Rufus. You can download it from rufus.ie. Rufus.ie. It's safe to download from there. It's their website, official website. So let's put the USB stick in. Then from here you select the ISO image, click on open. Then we're gonna keep everything as default and click a start button. And I'm gonna write this as a DD image mode, so I can boot it on my laptop. So I'm only gonna run this as my primary operating system for my laptop. So that's why I'm making a DD image format. From here, click on start and fast forward. We'll fast forward 8x times until the end. It's pretty easy and simple steps if you follow the guideline. I'll have a link down in the description below. You can download this for Windows 7 or higher. It's Rufus 3.8. Once the writing done, you can take out your USB stick and it's ready to go to install Kali Linux or directly into your laptop. It will be a bootable drive. Thanks for watching my video. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.